James, ano na, paano mo i-describe yung relationship nyo now ni Nadine? Ano na, going somewhere na ba kayo? Mayroon ka bang panliligaw na ginagawa? Ano yung totoo?
No, we're just like focused on we're not thinking about relationships or anything. But yeah, we're on the set. We're really close and.
Oo, pero may possibility ba na maging totohanan yung inyong on-screen romance?
Yeah, well, when you have to act like you're in love, it's hard not to feel a little bit of something.
So do you feel a little bit of something?
A little.
Oh, wala ka namang secret girlfriend, James?
Sorry.
Wala ka namang secret girlfriend?
No.
Oo, so you're unattached?
Yes.
Ikaw din, single ka rin ba, Nads? So may possibility rin ba if na halimbawa maligaw sa iyo si James? May chance ba siya? Push! Hashtag push. Nads?
Push.
Pwede bang ma-push, if ever?
It depends. Kung maliligaw siya.
Oo. May chance ba siya, if ever? Kasi bilang di ba, lagi kayong close na kayo. Pinupush kayo ng fan, ng mga jaded fans. Ano?
Sige, push. Sige.
Pwede, may chance.
Meron.
Oo, okay.